Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are on a excursion. Where are we headed?
We are headed to... Hey, Anna needs to put her seatbelt on, but we are headed to Maggie Valley on a hiking excursion.
So we will take you guys along, and we have Heather Fox Live and the Chronicles of Maddie with us. So we will be sharing along the way, and we hope you guys will join us for this journey. It should be a lot of fun and maybe a lot of laughs. Oh, by the way, almost forgot. So yeah, I need to make an announcement. So Pops has got everybody covered. Pops has packed a roll of toilet paper in case anybody needs to use the facilities, the natural facilities along the way.
In the woods.
I hope we don't either, but I just had to let you know. So that's the kind of day we're gonna have, a lot of fun. Hey guys, welcome back. So we are in Murphy, North Carolina.
Just outside of Murphy.
And we have stopped to take a last potty break.
Yes. While we're in civilization.
Yeah.
We're fixing to be out of civilization and we're going to have to utilize what I got in my backpack.
Yeah, well, Pops is on a Bigfoot hunt, so
Yes.
the rest of us, we're just taking in the scenery, but Pops is looking for Bigfoot. So we will see you guys later. Hello, ladies. Hey guys, we made it. We are now at Waterrock Knob Trail.
Yes.
Somewhere in North Carolina.
Way up on the mountain.
So let's go on a hike and let's see what we can find. You know, Pops is looking for Bigfoot, so
Already seen signs.
there's no Bigfoot. All right, ladies, you ready? Go on this hike.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here we go. All right, Pops. We are we what, about halfway up?
Yeah, about halfway.
And like, what is the
Air's thin.
air's thin and it stinks.
Yeah.
There's something really stinky.
Like this flaky bark trees up here, and they don't smell good.
I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but yeah, maybe you can get a shot of that. There's a lot of these flying bugs around here, and yes, I'm out of breath because this is quite an incline, and it has been that way the whole way up. So
We still got a ways up.
it's very pretty, but very stinky.
Yeah.
Hello. How you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite a hike, huh? I need often rest breaks. I mean, yeah, whatever I just said sounded backwards. Often rest breaks. Break, yeah, I can't even talk. This altitude's gone to my head.
One's a believer.
Leave it to Pops, y'all. Pops is making Bigfoot friends.
Yeah.
That's not uncommon. Pops makes friends with anybody and everybody he comes across. Obviously, he did that Bigfoot call pretty good for them to know what he was doing.
Everybody turned around.
Oh, that was priceless. Oh, that's a good idea. I don't know what I'll do. Onward. Here we go. We can do it. Alright, there's light up there. It's called light at the end of the tunnel. Oh, excuse me, light at the end of the trail. And that's where we're aiming to go. It does. Don't help us on the way. Oh, not terribly. Beautiful dog. You're welcome. It's not too terribly much further. It's a little ways, but not. You're almost there. You can do it. It's worth it. It's worth it. We're right there with you. We understand. Oh, it's close. Alright guys, here comes Heather Vlogs Life and the Chronicles of Maddie. And I'm gonna have to have their help, but I'll figure out how to put their channel information on ours, so you can go check out their channel. We're on the downhill stretch, guys. I need energy. I should go backwards because I'm scared I'll flip. Look, we've made it down. We are at the parking lot. Or as my Siri lady says, we're at the car park. Alright guys, we made it back. We are now headed on another adventure.
Yes. This time we're gonna go get something to eat.
Yeah. So we decided that we're gonna go to the apple barn and eat dinner, and then we will go home. But there's no telling what we're able to see
Between here and there.
between here and there. So stay tuned, and we will take y'all along with us. Hey guys, and welcome back. So we have made it to our destination for dinner.
Yes.
We are at,
The apple barn.
yes,
It's a forge.
we love the apple barn.
Absolutely.
So we will be getting our victuals here soon.
We'll show it to you.
Hang
And not
tight.
to rub it in or nothing, but we're going to show it to you anyways.
We'll be right back. Hey guys, and welcome back. So we are done with dinner, and we are done with our adventures for today. And we hope you enjoyed the ride, and we will see you on the next adventure.
Absolutely.
Have a great day.